Hi everybody, I'm Allison and I'm here with my sister Laura. And today we're going to talk about living with what you love.
Perhaps the most essential thing you can do to create a home that supports you and the life you want to live is to surround yourself with things that you love. Now this concept may seem very straightforward. Most of us take for granted and assume that we love the things in our home. But if you really take a deeper look around, you may find that you are not only living with things that you do not love, but you may be living with things that bring your energy down, that make you feel badly about yourself, or get in the way of living the life that you desire.
If you want to find out if you're living with what you love, try this simple exercise. Go around your home and stand in front of each item. And observe how your body feels. Is it bringing your energy up or is it bringing your energy down? What thoughts come to mind? Is it trigger any memories? If so, are they positive memories, negative memories? Check in with each and every object to make sure it's truly something that you love. If it doesn't make your heart sing, or worse, it's bringing your energy down, then it may be time to let it go.